Our responsible AI team provides three kinds of capabilities: AI engineering, UI intelligence, and continuous RAI risk assessment and mitigation. With these capabilities, we aim to build an AI engineering platform to empower scientists who have limited AI and programming skills. This platform will enable them to create responsible, proactive, and multimodal context-aware copilots. These copilots can automatically generate scientific workflows to meet the scientist's personalized requirements. We will revolutionize the scientific workflow from ideation to experimentation. Currently, this process requires scientists to read an extensive set of literatures, formulate hypotheses, design methods, and conduct simulation and physical experiments. Let's first introduce our AI engineering tool, Prompt Sapper, which offers a low no-code solutions for scientists to build AI copilots and support workflow management. We provide two versions to meet different needs: community version and professional version. With community version, you can simply type in the requirements of what you need for your particular AI copilots. Our Sapper, powered by structural prompt language, will automatically disassemble and enrich your requirements into multiple step and richer details to ensure the trustworthiness of the AI copilot. For example, the structured prompt will extract the persona, target audience, context control rules, and some instructions to ensure the prompt. You can also see the structural prompt in the natural description format. After that, you can simply interact with the newly developed copilot and integrate it into your daily workflow. Our professional version provides more interactions to the users and allows the users to modify the copilots in a visual programming method. Throughout the entire life cycle of AI systems, one critical thing is to ensure responsible AI. This is where our RAI tools play the role. With our continuous risk assessors, we can continuously monitor and assess its AI risk metrics to prevent the misuse of the agent and to ensure the trustworthiness of the agent. Our RAI chatbot can help scientists assess the risk of AI tools and provides potential mitigation patterns. This tool is transparent, as it shows its thinking process. It analyzes user questions, retrieves knowledges from our AI incident database, connects AI incident with the AI principles, extracts questions from our RAI question bank, provides assessment based on concrete metrics, and suggests potential mitigation patterns. Moreover, our guardrails enforce the RAI requirements during the interaction of AI copilots. The users can select or define which RAI requirements they want to enforce, and they will then auto-apply to AI copilots. For example, to meet the privacy requirement, there will be a pre-processing to remove sensitive data before the user's query is sent to the AI system. Topical control will check if the conversation is within the scope of the copilot. Apart from these, our UI intelligence is dedicated to automate workflow planning and execution by understanding multimodal context information like the tool's UI elements, mouse clicks, gestures, and proactively suggesting actions/goals. Given a scientific workflow requirement, our tool can automate this process and perform the actions on behalf of the scientists. With the UI interactions accumulated and the data collected during the daily work, UTA can proactively anticipate the scientist's goal and formulate plans. During this process, our UI guard can detect deceptive patterns or suggest best practice work patterns to the scientists. Thanks for listening, and feel free to contact us via email.